Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw data with Restic from your VPS to S3 step by step clearly. To withdraw data with Restic from your VPS to S3, start by accessing your VPS via SSH. Open your terminal application. Run the command to log in to your VPS. Enter your server's IP address and your username, followed by the connection command. Once logged in, ensure you have Restic installed on your VPS. If it's not installed, use your package manager to install it. After installation, set up your S3 environment variables. You will need your S3 bucket name, access key, and secret key. Export these variables in your terminal session. Next, initialize your Restic repository if you haven't done so already. Use the command to create a new Restic repository. Specify your S3 backend using the appropriate flags. After initializing, verify the connection to your S3 bucket. Use Restic commands to list your backups. To withdraw specific data, use the restore command. Specify the snapshot ID of the data you wish to recover. Choose the directory where you want to restore the data. Execute the command to start the restoration process. Once the restoration is complete, check the target directory. Verify that your files have been successfully restored. If necessary, adjust permissions to access the restored files. Finally, log out from your VPS by typing the exit command. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.